Good evening everyone. Thanks for joining this session. Today I am going to share 5 must-have plants at home. All of these plants are very low maintenance, very cheap, and even you can get these plants free of cost from the forest department. Along with the plants, today I am going to share with you the gardening tips so that you can grow these plants at your home and maintain them. So hope you all are excited to watch this session. So let's get started. Tulsi is the first plant in my list. It is very auspicious plant in the Hindu mythology, as it is believed that Tulsi is the gateway to take us to the heaven. She helps the devotees to release us from the vicious cycle of birth and death and to take us to moksha. Tulsi also has many health benefits. It is a natural immune booster. In the corona time, you might have heard that this drink contains Tulsi, this is a Tulsi syrup. So it has many health benefits, as well as it releases oxygen 24/7 a day. It also helps in reducing stress. It helps in cough, fever. It also reduces body pain, as well as it reduces the blood pressure. It is also good for the health of heart, as well as skin, as well as hair. So this plant has many health benefits, I can say. The rest of the benefits you can find in the presentation. So let's move to how to consume this plant. Okay, so if you want to consume this plant, you can take the leaf, okay, and add it to any of your drink, but don't chew the leaves. That's it. Okay, so let's move to the next section. If you want to grow a Tulsi like this with many branches, so you have to take care of just a few things. Okay, you need to cut the tips of the plant regularly like this. If you cut these tips regularly, it will create new branches and will become something like this type of bushy or with many branches. And if you want to recreate this plant, so just leave this manjira, which I have already cut. After some time this will become brownish, or it will get dried. So just pick this manjira and spread it over the soil. Okay, so it will grow. So the best season to grow Tulsi plant is the monsoon season. In the monsoon season, you can easily grow as many as Tulsi you want. Even I have grown in the past season more than 20 plants. These are just a few numbers just to show you. As well as you can also grow the Tulsi plant with the stem, but there is a less chance of recreation of getting this plant from the stem, but there is a possibility you can do it. Second plant in my list is money plant. As the name suggests, money, it is believed to be that it attracts money, and as per the Vastu, it is believed that it wards off the negative energy around us and creates a positive environment. This plant is also a natural air purifier. Okay, and this plant can be grown very easily. As you can see, I have many money plants. Even you can grow this plant in water only, without soil. I'm going to show you. Hope you can see the wide roots of the plant. This is growing inside just water. Okay, this plant can be used as an indoor plant as well as outdoor plant. Money plant can be grown in any size of a pot. Even you can grow it in an 8-inch pot, even in 10, 12, in any size. Even if you don't have soil, you can grow it in a water bottle. So third plant in my list is aloe vera. And I think you guys must have heard about aloe vera gel or any aloe vera product. Maybe it's a soap, aloe vera gel, or anything. Just for the fun fact, I was reading a blog, and in that blog it was written that this plant is having over $13 billion stake in the makeup industry or the beauty industry. So you guys can think about that, how many benefits this plant is having. This aloe vera gel is having huge benefits for your skin. It has very high antioxidant properties which keeps your skin younger. So you can apply this aloe vera gel on your body. You can also apply it for silky smooth hairs, and even in dandruff. This plant is very useful. This plant can also be consumed in the form of gel, not with this green part, and it helps in the digestive problems. Okay, once you have planted this one single plant, okay, it will create its baby plants like this, and even in this plant you can see there are multiple plants are coming out. So you can detach this part and add in and put it into a different pot, so it will grow very easily. This plant can be grown inside or indoor plant as well as outdoor plant, and very less water is required for this plant. Once a week is sufficient for this. Fourth plant in my list is snake plant. This plant comes with the least maintenance, although the other plants I have shared are also comes with a less maintenance, but this is with the least, because only once in a 10-day water is enough for this plant. This plant can be this plant is an indoor plant, but you can place it under the sunlight. So here is the difference. The same plant I have placed inside, the leaves are light in color, whereas the plants where is the plant I have put in the sunlight, the leaves are darker in color. So I live in Delhi. So the city is very polluted, and you know in the winters we look for the which air purifier we buy. If you will buy 5 or 6 of these plants and put in every room of your home, so it will be enough for a 24/7 fresh air inside your home. So that's why this plant is the necessity in at least metropolitan cities. It is very easy to regrow this plant. You just need to cut a leaf, plant it in a pot, okay, and just you have to wait, water by same once in 10 days. But you need to be very patient, as this plant grows very slowly. So this is the result I got after 3 months. I have placed this leaf in the pot, and after 3 months I got 3 buds. Okay, so if you have a plant with like 5 or 10 leaves, within 3 months you can create 5 to 6 plants out of a single plant. So fifth and the last plant in my list is the Giloy plant. This is a medicinal plant and used by the Ayurveda for thousands of years now. You guys must have heard about this plant in the Corona time period, and maybe you have taken the Giloy Kada or any other Giloy supplement in the Corona time. So this plant has many other health benefits also. It helps our body to protect with the infection as well as in fever. This plant is also beneficial for the diabetic patient and for the asthmatic patient. And there are other benefits for this plant too. This plant can be easily grown. You just need to cut a stem of this plant and put it inside a pot like this, okay? And within a week, it will start growing its roots, and after 10 to 14 days, you will start seeing leaves or a stem coming out of this. So as you can see the plant on my left side as well as on the back side. So if you will cut this plant from anywhere like this or any stem you will cut, it will start growing its roots from there. So once you have grown this plant, it will be very difficult for you to get rid of this. So jokes apart, this plant is very, very beneficial if you have it in your home. Thank you for joining this session. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any queries, feel free to connect with me.